how I paint. Backgrounds. Using the fade pen in ibispaintx. When I start painting a background in ibispaintx, one of the tools I rely on the most is the fade pen. It's simple, flexible, and incredibly powerful when it comes to creating smooth transitions and atmospheric effects. In this video, I'll walk you through how I use the fade pen to paint backgrounds and bring more life into my artwork. Before I even touch the canvas, I take a moment to think about the mood I want the background to express. Every artwork tells a story, and the background sets the emotional tone. Whether I'm aiming for a calm, dramatic, warm, or mysterious feel, my color choices are always intentional. I usually select 2 or 3 colors that blend well together and place them on a new layer beneath my main subject. Once the colors are ready, I select the fade pen from the brush menu. What makes this pen special is how it naturally fades at the edges, allowing strokes to blend smoothly without harsh lines. I begin with a large brush size and low opacity, gently applying the base colors across the background. At this stage, I'm not focused on details. I'm simply building the foundation. As I continue, I gradually reduce the brush size and adjust the opacity. This helps me add depth and variation while keeping the background soft. The fade pen makes blending feel natural, especially for skies, abstract backgrounds, lighting effects, and smooth gradients. Instead of forcing the blend, I let the strokes overlap and mix visually. One important part of my process is working in layers and taking my time. I build the background slowly, stroke by stroke. If a color feels too strong, I go over it again with a lower opacity to soften it. This layering technique gives the background a rich, polished look without overpowering the main subject. To add more depth, I often paint subtle lighting using lighter tones. With the fade pen, I gently highlight areas where light would naturally fall, usually behind the subject or toward the center of the canvas. This creates separation and helps guide the viewer's eye to the focal point. Once the background feels complete, I zoom out and review the entire artwork. This step is important because it allows me to see the balance between the background and the subject. If needed, I lower the background layer's opacity or make small adjustments until everything feels harmonious. In the end, painting backgrounds with the fade pen on ibispaintx is all about patience, control, and emotion. It's not just about filling empty space, it's about supporting the story of the artwork. With consistent practice, this simple tool can help you create smooth, expressive, and professional-looking backgrounds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.